Hey Abdul, how you doing? Looking over the site here, I like the overall idea, but here are some of the issues I just would like to talk to you about. First of all, here, I like this color blue, um, but this really, I understand the school part, but it really is not about the main thing that we're doing here with this Amazon Alexa. And there is nothing that's written back here, whether it's some kind of text boxes or whatever, that we would be able to write information down on. Coming down here, I see this red with the white background, and then we have the blue on the white background with black. Um, so this is the information that was on the site. But I think from a theme perspective, so we have this photo here goes to this photo here, but still nothing about what we're doing with the voice controlled artificial intelligence. Um, and then here, I guess this is just another placeholder. So is it that you're just giving us three pictures that we would be able to, insert here so that this would be kind of like the carousel of information? So I guess one of the things is, what theme are we using? Is this WordPress? Um, and then the ability to make modifications to this, changes to the pictures or whatever we would like to do here. The next thing, our story, is kind of, has this purple background. And, this particular font here, I'm not sure if it's the same font that we're using here or not. But again, when I look here, we have this purple, which it doesn't seem to me to be like consistent. There's no theme consistent throughout the web page. Contact us takes us there, which is what we want to do. Then again, this is like a picture of New York City. Um, Light bulb here. Contact us takes us over there, which is good. Now the news and info with this lime green background and blue, um, I don't really see like a consistent theme. The other thing here is that on the original web page on the bottom, um, I had this information here, where they would be able to get in touch with us. And what I wanted to do is have something similar to this, but if they clicked on the email, they would be able to email, send it. This would just enact an email to send us. The contacts here, whoops. Here, if I look at contact, like, there is no contact us on the first page. So here, if I go back over here, and if I hit contact us, there's just a phone number, but there's no email. So there's no way that this email, how does the email get to us? Like from here, I see there's a submit button, but it doesn't go any place that I can see right now. So I'm just wondering, if I take a look at some of the things here, where is it? Well, the original information, let me see here. Okay, so back here, um, we had this information. We wanted to have this admin. So I guess the information here is that Um, I wanted to make sure that what we were looking at was specifically for WordPress, and then what is the best way for us to be able to get this information. I see you have name, email, message, but you know, I'm assuming that this is just a very rough first draft. So if you can, provide some information back to me as to how to move this thing forward, I would really appreciate it. Okay, thank you.